1,324 verified customers rating this product. LCD screen. The front of the screen has an enormous LCD screen that shows everything. On the off chance that you have to change the line, change it from the catch legitimately underneath this screen. The showcase demonstrates the right now chosen sewing design. 110. Implicit join. The more prominent the quantity of join consolidated, the more extensive the scope of choices for improving your creation things, so a sewing machine is commonly better. The xr9500prw has 110 worked in needles. Sewing speed. Sewing machines can be seen at a decent sewing pace. It can sew on a sewing machine with 800 needles for each moment, which is entirely great. 8 presser foot. It offers 8 styles of the presser foot to address various issues. Sibling xr9500prw replace the presser foot once more. Automatic needle threader. With just a touch of a lever, the built-in auto needle threader pushes your thread right through the eye of the needle. Pros. Lightweight. Easy and simple to begin. Helpful DVD. Rich working machine. For knitting. Include table. Soundless operation. Cons. A few issues about needle seals. Little print, just 1/4 inch, with suspicious completion. If you want to know more about Brother xr9500prw computerized sewing machine, then go to www.computerizedSewingMachines.com, post link in the description, check it out.